Hey there, this is Plai from Plai, and today we're gonna go over the best ad formats for your 2026 meta ads strategy. The first one we're gonna go over is actually the bland problem, we could call it in that way. It basically wins because it is super clear about the pain that you are resolving, it's super clear about what issue you're addressing, and it's also super simple to build. For example, a service such as solar panel installations. All we need to do in this case is go either to the product shot or the smart creative text to image, even into the AI avatars, and build a super straightforward hook. Like, for example, are you tired of high electricity bills? Or are you still dealing with unreliable electricity solutions, or whatever you want to do in that case, The important thing is that you're actually focusing on a really specific, highly actionable problem, which basically the highly actionable part is your service that you're offering, or of course your product. Okay, so in this case, we simply grabbed an image from our website, as you can see, and simply added this headline: still dealing with high electricity bills? Go solar with Solar Bro. In this case, our made up business. You can, of course, add your logo in this, your brand colors and whatever, and make it even more custom. Now, if you don't have a starting image, you can also generate it from scratch with the text to image functionality, or even generate some AI avatars. Regardless of whether you're using product shot, text to image, memes, or whatever, the main thing is that you're actually focusing on an actual pain point of your audience and using that as the source for your creatives. Our second format is actually carousel ads. In certain business types, especially when you know that there is a sequence that you want to be clicking through, carousel ads work amazingly. And there are specific businesses, just like, for example, restaurants, or for example in real estate, where you want to showcase possibly a whole home with different rooms, with different places and angles that you want to take a look of the house. In those cases, carousel ads actually perform amazingly. But again, you must be really thoughtful of how you're gonna configure them. So for example, if you have a restaurant of any type, you want to be using real images of your products, which are looking really professional and which of course represent your offering of the restaurant, because otherwise it won't work for you. For this specific creative type, product shot is your really good friend, because you can grab one of these creatives and then just keep on adding information on top of it. And remember that your carousel is only as strong as your first card, because your first card will be the actual hook. Our next format is testimonials. They have actually been performing greatly for as long as I've been here in the marketing world. Basically, testimonials are a great way to borrow credibility from people who mostly freely give their comments to you. You can actually grab testimonials directly from Google. For example, I grabbed this one from a random restaurant in there, and you don't actually need to redo it a lot. If you want, you can turn it into a live testimonial with AI avatars, which is a great thing. I do recommend that you grab, some actual real testimonials in there and use those AI avatars to, give it a new format in there, turning, for example, this KT review into an actual review with a person telling you about it. And just copying and pasting it will work amazingly. And if you need to clean up a bit of the image in here, let me show you how you can do that over here. Simply upload your asset in here, tap on the edit button, and it will open a full-on design studio. So I just went ahead and replaced it. And again, this is a simple Google screenshot from a business that I saw. I simply removed a bit of the details with the design studio. Now the next format is before and after. Whether they are pics or videos, people love seeing restoration videos for whatever business you got. So yeah, they get some really good engagement, right? And they are a really good way to showcase your products and your offering, of course. I usually recommend grabbing one, messy image of the starting product and then the end good product. But of course, if that's not possible, you can also do before and after, like and like this one in the middle where you see the middle of the process where they are applying all of these. Final one is actually the promo. It work amazingly because people feel like they're saving money, they're getting more than what they're paying for, and there are so many different ways to do them. You can simply offer a simple discount like we're using in here. Let's say, for example, in here I'm a coffee shop and I'm promoting my online orders for some reason, so it's just like 20% off ordering online or whatever, people can pick it up. I simply used the smart creative option in this case to generate all of these creatives, but you can generate even more. I simply replaced a single title for our offering, but you can also just prompt to offer the specific. Remember to use a starting image of your product or of anything else and generate 10 creatives, images and videos or whatever you want to generate in a really fast manner. And again, you can use discounts, you can use bundles, you can use seasonal kind of offers or any kind of limited time offers as well, and all of these are really attractive. Now, an important word of caution in here: promos usually fail when the offer is messy. So either when you have too many discounts, too many overlapping things, you usually should prefer to go for a clear single approach that is easy to test and to see how well it's performing, than overlapping different kind of discounts or not being clear enough about those. And of course, the second but really important detail in there is that they must be easy to redeem. Ideally, if you're gonna be sending people to a landing page, you want to have the promo code already added in there. You want to have the landing page be super clear and only go towards one specific product, ideally. So not towards the whole selection of things. You want to kind of restrict it to make the purchase process much faster. And if you're offering a service, kind of discount, seasonal stuff, also make it easy to understand the offer and also easy to get in contact with you. And two honorable mentions that they're not actually, like ad formats, but creative formats are, of course, memes. Memes are, I believe, underused in the advertising environment, especially for local services and people like that, because sometimes it might be a bit scary to go that way. So, of course, always handle it with care and make sure that you're not being too edgy with them. But as long as you're playing it safe, memes perform amazingly, and I do recommend generating some with this. AI avatars, any sort of UGC, whether you're AI generating it or recording it yourself, UGCs actually perform amazingly. Okay, so that's all for today. Test these formats and launch them across Meta, Google, TikTok, and all the different platforms with Plai. And let us know how it goes for you. And of course, if you have some great prompts, if you have some great results coming from any particular type that is not mentioned as well, do let me know in the comments or, by simply sending us an email. Also, if you want support, if you don't understand how any of these particularly work, or if you have questions about anything else, simply reach out to getsupport@plai.app. And of course, we'll be happy to help you.